Next, I'm going to demo our opportunity pipeline and forecasting capabilities. First, let me introduce our analytics functionality. I navigate to Visual Workbook, which is a curation or collection of dashboards, while a dashboard is a collection of reports or views. We ship out-of-box standard reports, and admin users can customize the standard reports according to their own business scenarios. In this Visual Workbook, Pulse on the Business, there are two dashboards, Pipeline Insights and Forecast Trending. Pipeline Insights show the current status of the pipeline, while Forecast Trending show the forecasts via opportunity snapshot data. In the system, I can create two types of sales funnel reports. Standard funnel report that are generated from standard forecasting data, and custom funnel report that can be generated from dynamic forecasting data. Now I search for a sales funnel report and create a new report by copying from this one. I want to show how I can create a sales funnel report with opportunities closed last year. Obviously, the funnel with opportunities closed last year looks quite different. Please note that this is using today's data, not a snapshot from last year. But I can also see sales funnel report from snapshots taken from last year. In Forecast Trending report, we can see forecast trending from opportunity snapshots. We all know that during a sales cycle, win rate, close date, and sales amount changes over time. So it is important to create snapshots on a regular basis to capture these changes. Let's see how we can create opportunity snapshots. Admin users can create up to 12 snapshots with custom time periods and use them to create forecast report capturing the forecast trending. All fields in opportunities can be snapshotted. Once snapshot schedule is created, system will snapshot all opportunities according to these schedules. Snapshots can be used to create funnel reports or any opportunity-related reports. Now let's come back to Forecast Trending report. In this chart, we can see a forecast trending from the beginning of this fiscal year using aggregated sales amounts snapshotted at the start of every month. I also used a double axis chart to compare that with the sales target I created for the team on a quarterly basis. From this trending report, I can tell my operation is healthy. We're meeting sales target quarter by quarter with a nice trend. The sales funnel reports show the sales funnel status as of the start of each quarter. This is even more interesting. We can see that the sales funnel grows fatter and fatter over time, which shows a very promising trend of the business. Forecasts can be rolled up from sales rep level, including forecasts using opportunity split amount. Forecasts are calculated automatically, but sales managers can also override the forecast amount as well as close date to make it reflect actual business status. As a sales manager, I go back to the operational side and check out the opportunities I manage. I obviously cannot change forecast amount, which is calculated by the system, but I can change forecast override amount and close date override. The forecast amount and close date are then automatically changed to be the overridden values. I can open this opportunity and see the audit logs. I can see that all the manual changes are recorded by the system. Now we go back to the Visual Workbook and open another book, Team Performance. In this dashboard, we can see each individual team member's forecasts and how they roll up to the overall forecast and how they compare with the sales quota in the future time periods. Speaking of sales quota, in IngageApp, we provide a very powerful sales performance management module where sales operation managers can set up target models by evaluating any business objects for any individual users or user groups. For example, I have set up performance target model using aggregated forecast amount by team, product, or territory. I can also create forecast quota for each territory and track the sales progress against the quota. So now I navigate to the territory target and look at quota versus completion. In the visual workbook, there's a more comprehensive view of team performance. In the team performance dashboard, I can see the total forecast amount and then see how individual sales rep or sales teams roll up to the total forecast. I can check out how each individual sales rep's forecast goes against the quota in the current and future quarters in this fiscal year. I can also use the dashboard level filter to take a close-up of each individual sales rep's performance. For example, Alice has had excellent performance in forecasts. In the product performance dashboard, I can evaluate each product or product line's sales performance against their quota. I can also use the dashboard cascading filtering function to filter other reports by a particular product. In the territory performance dashboard, I can evaluate the performance of the entire territory hierarchy, a sub-territory hierarchy, and an individual territory against their quota.